So we had a really fun trading session today during the stream. Took a lovely position on gold sells, zero drawdown, lovely liquidity grabs, and then entering the position very, very well. This week has actually been somewhat choppy. So to end the week off with this nice position was fantastic, but I also explain why I didn't take many trades early on in this week and the importance of waiting for these good setups. So then when these do present themselves, you're not chasing the unnecessary trades and the shit losses that you took early on in the week. So I explain this all as well as give the full gold trade recap in this live stream. So if you do enjoy the stream recap, remember, drop a little like and enjoy today's session. I know it's been a pretty bad week for a lot of people, and this is the reason I've stayed very, very patient. Times like this is where you enjoy the freedom side of trading. This is the time where, you know, everyone thinks they want to trade for freedom. Everyone wants to trade because they want to make loads of money, you want to be free. But for the most part, most people can't not bear to not be in the charts or to not bear to be in a position. And, you know, knowing when to trade and knowing when not to trade is what separates retail traders from the good traders. We got gold here. Gold, this has been our very, very simple levels that we've been trading in and out of all week. You know, we got the support here. Broken, we've got this resistance, support, broken, resistance. So we're trading at this level at resistance at the minute. So until we close above this level, it makes sense for us to look for shorts. Now the daily close wasn't that great, bit of a doji candle, but you know, on this current daily candle, we're pulling back up before potentially rolling over and creating a lower wick to come back down, retest these levels one more time and potentially grab yesterday's previous daily low. So if anything, today I would like to look for some short setups. Now I'm wondering if, you know, we're going to have our typical pre-London liquidity grabs where we could come and grab some highs before then driving down into the lows. So we need to see a little bit more for time being. The hourly just closed doji. Asia did absolutely nothing today. Massive fake out there on GJ. Look at that. Strong push up, breaking above this key level of 163. Then the following day closed right back below. So that's a nice fake out. And then the previous day came up for the retest and then drove down even lower. So if I want to sell GJ, I want it to come up and grab this little 15-minute double top right here. Okay. GJ has lots of liquidity sitting above here and we need to see this grabbed. I expect, you know, same as always, anyone who's trying to go short right now, where have they got their stops? They probably got their stops just above this level of resistance, looking for this play back down. So if anything, once GJ can stop hunt these highs, then we'll be looking for potential sells. So all we'll do is now we'll set an alert here on the highs of GJ and we will wait for GJ to get into that resistance. Until we do then we'll wait for a little bit more.
Well, I thought, you know, I'm going to stay in and have more cuddles.
That's cute.
That was fun.
You left the bedroom to come and spend it with us during the London session. Now, that's commitment right there.
London's for the boys, huh?
Yeah, boy. We get a nice strong closer. We could look for some sells on gold. How long did it take you to become profitable? Just over 2 years. The first year and a half, I didn't make a single penny. Not one single penny in trading. It's not easy, but I mean, hopefully, you know, by me doing these streams, you guys don't have to go through the same bullshit that I went through. All the, you know, Instagram scams, fake materialism, and the fake lifestyle. We'll wait for the next 15 minute, and then if that's not nice, we'll probably wait for the hourly, because if the next 15 minute closes back within this range, then we already know without even looking, the hourly is going to be doji. If I want to short gold, I need it to close back bearish, because this is bullish or retesting it. This may go higher. I need to wait for this 5 minute. Ooh, gold. How long we got to this close? 1 more minute to this close on gold, and I may put this sell in on gold. Breaks this level, quickly pulls up, so we go short, and then we can, you know, have a stop here. We get a nice risk to reward. Right, okay, cool. As soon as this retraces, I'm gonna look for shorts. 20. No, we want 100. We're not here to fuck spiders.
I've only ever heard non-Australians say that that's what Aussies say.
Yeah, as soon as gold, like if we can now pull back up and grab this 5 minute, I'm shorting gold. We've liquidated these highs. We've finally broken the support, retested. I wanted to short here, but that 5 minute there closed very, very bullish. And it made me not want to short just yet. I need more confirmation. So would have been nice to short there, but that 5 minutes threw me off. Now we've broken these lows again. So as soon as we can pull back up, I'll short gold around here. Stops will be around here, and we've got the potential to come and target some lows down here for a nice risk reward. So, okay, you know, I'm just shorting here. So it's hovering around this level. I'm short on gold right now. Stop loss is only 15 pips, so it's nice. Now we want this 5 minute to leave this nice wick and fully close back below this level. Otherwise, we could be grabbing these lows to potentially go higher, not close like this. If this 5 minute closes bullish like this, then we'll assess how the next 5 minute closes, because if the next few 5 minutes close strong, then the hourly is again going to leave that annoying wick to the lows, which we don't want. We want a nice drive. GJ taking the 5 minute highs. See, this is what happens. Oh yeah, nice. Let's get both charts on the go because I don't want to miss GJ like last time. Oh, 5 minutes just closed. It's not bad. It's still respecting this level. It's not the worst close, not the best close, but it's not a close to want to do anything with the position just yet. As soon as this 5 minute closes below these lows, I'm just gonna be monitoring the 15. We're coming instantly into these levels, which is why we have to take risk off the table, because this could be a level where we could retest and then potentially go higher. So if we get the setup, who knows, we could go long, almost 1%. I'll only look to secure some on gold when we come down, drive down a little bit more. If you want to secure 1.5%, you've just made 1.5% joining the stream. And you know what? I'm gonna take 50% off here just because of how this week's been. It wouldn't surprise me if this flips up. So I'm personally securing partials here on gold, and I'm gonna leave the rest to run all the way down to here. Drop a little like for that. 0 drawdown trade, instant profit, making bank on a nice Friday evening. Look at this right now on gold. Gold is coming into some levels here, yeah, where gold could find some support. Regardless of if gold is gonna break this level, this is a level where gold is gonna have some pullbacks before then potentially going lower. So do you wanna see your position go from 1.5% in profit to potentially back to break even? No, you wanna understand that this is a potential hurdle. You want to do something about that, take off some partials, and then when it does break, if it does what you want it to do, then amazing, you keep holding it. But you don't just, hold it off pure hopium because you want to make the most out of your position. You understand that this is a barrier and do something about it. Sorry, Aaron, I just arrived and I wanted to ask about Thailand retreat. Is that still in effect? Yes, Adam, Thailand trading retreat is in full effect. We booked the Airbnbs, we booked the villas. We're spending a week in Phuket, trading live Monday to Friday, and then that weekend we're getting the boat to PP Islands, and then on the Monday following we're then spending another week in Koh Samui. Trading Thailand retreat is booked and I can't fucking wait. Took 50% off right at the level before we then reversed, and this is exactly what we said. This is a barrier where we could bounce off and go higher. So whenever you come into these barriers, you don't want to be married to your shorts. You want to accept that this is a level where it could go against you and take some profit off the table.
That kicked off my new challenge.
Nice.
So, cheers, gents.
Yeah, good man.